Hello, GA again. It's Mr. McComb with an update for the week coming up ahead. We're in the middle of March already. The Ides of March are upon us, starting Monday. So it's March 15 through 19. We got a full week ahead. Just a quick look at what's going on. So we got Iowa testing continuing this week. We'll be done with those on Wednesday. So Thursday and Friday will be kind of back to regular scheduled days. Kids really did a nice job with their testing last week, and just a few more days to go. A few of the key Iowa assessments coming up, so we'll be doing great with that. We do have a couple out of uniform days this week attached to fundraisers. So please do bring in a donation if you're going to be out of uniform. We ask for at least $1. If you can manage more, that's wonderful, but $1 is the sort of expectation. Wednesday for St. Patrick's Day, that money goes to missions and local charities that we can raise for that. And Friday, March 19th, there was some information in the Wednesday Herald. A couple of sixth grade students decided to organize a fundraiser for money for cancer research. So a couple of good causes there. Friday, I believe, is just a general out of uniform day. Other than that, we do have the time change going on. So today's Sunday. It's about lunchtime now. And we had a little tough time getting up this morning with my kids. I know this is a hard day where we lose an hour. So I'm probably expecting some tired eyes. So hopefully we'll get good and awake by the time we come in Monday morning. But I know that's kind of hard those first couple of days to adjust for some of us. But there's that going on with the warmer weather. We are going to be getting back to lunch outside. Which I know I'm definitely looking forward to, just getting some fresh air as much as possible now that the weather is starting to get a little better and better for us. So that's going to be coming up. And again, yeah, spring's almost here. I believe coming up this weekend, March 20th, I think is the spring equinox, and that'll be even something more to look forward to. Other than that, let's talk about just real quick, a quick look at what we're going to be getting into with classes this week. Math, we are going to continue decimal division, especially once we get through the Monday through Wednesday time where we lose a little class time for testing. We'll start working on actually solving those division problems. Last week was good to build up the basics with estimating and some other mental math strategies that'll help us down the road. And we'll be diving into that. For science, we're going to finish our adaptations lesson. We covered some good ground last week, but again, with a full week of testing, those mornings took up some time, and we lost some of the full class time. So we'll finish that up this week, especially focusing on life cycle adaptations. On Friday, I will check in with the kids and see how we're doing from science fair project progress, and hopefully be getting ready soon to start getting those displays together. I was really impressed with the progress that they'd made from last Tuesday when we met up after our vaccine break. And looking forward to hearing more soon about how they're just continuing through that whole process. English, we're going to practice with persuasive writing. We spent some time last week on proofreading basics, and they seem to know pretty well, about that. As we've gone through our writing process so far this year, I do a lot of proofreading on my own just to help them check with spelling and things like that. But they've gotten pretty good with especially grammar and punctuation. Checking out and finding mistakes in writing too. So now we're going to talk about persuasive writing. I've got a nice little twist on that I hope will make it fun and interesting, and up to some current local events going on that can be a fun way to embrace some persuasive writing. So we'll try to get some time for that as well. And other than that, we got a full busy week coming up. So a 5-day week ahead of us. There are a couple of things integrating with math and science. Like here we see a picture out of the science book that's going to involve some decimal division. So I like when there's some things coming together like that, and then we'll also generate some of our own ideas for bringing together some integration of subjects, especially since we're losing a little bit of time still with the testing going on. So that's that. I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday, and I will see you on Monday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.